Belen kanalera ongi etorri Warhammer End Times Vermintide bi honetara, eta hemen jarri beharko dizkiogu gauza gehiago. A ver. Hemen jarri diesaiokegu. Eta kosmetikoak. Horrela askoz ere politago. Eta irekiko ditu gutxetxeren bat, izke pilo bat ditut irekitzeko. Eta apur bat aspergarria suertatzen zait. Egun baino gehiago ditu. Beraz irekiko ditu goren agian amare edo.
Fancy another game of cards, Kruger?
Oh, kasko hori polita da. Palo cortante. Vale. Hemen ongo dien gauzak izango dira oso txarrak, baina gero. Iepa burrundaie. Hemen joango gara apur bat kaotikoak eizatzera. Ba ongi gande honetan apur bat kaina emoten Left 4 Dead bi Warhammer Fantasy oinarrituta dagoena. Eta bihar jarraitzaileek Twitterren egindako inkestan izango dugu Genshin Impact lehendabiziko aldiz. Beraz bihar izango da joko berri bat zuzenean eta hor gertatuko dena euskal oso gertatzen den. Vale. Ikusi nuen astartez. Bueno, berrogei mila izateko ez dago txarto.
And so is your path. Once begun, you must see things through to the
Ez
end
itxaron,
or return in
bestaldera beto.
failure. A halo marks a site cursed by the chaos gods. I'm sure
Baina,
nothing
esan nahi dut, ikusi nuena da serie bat, Warhammer berrogei milako seriea edo jokoa. Hori ez zitzaidan oso ondo geratu. Beste egunean bukatu nuen ja Space Marine, eta orain apur bat gauza ezberdinak.
The god's gaze walks distant lands. Make the most of it.
Games Workshop fitxatzen bazaitu oso hona izan behar zara.
ammunition.
That's good aim. My turn now. Healing draft.
Bat hartuko dut nik. Bestea berdin zait.
If these wastes are full of Northlanders, right? Why do we keep seeing only Rockbloods?
Hori zei bat ere gustatzen. Etorriko zeiguna gure kontra. Eski gainera potoloetarikoa da.
A storm fiend, no doubt.
Ba hori.
That's a storm fiend. Move, mayflies.
Gainera distantzian erasotzen duenez.
Hail, Queen. Shield me from sight.
Mighty duo!
Dead rat beast. That's what you wanted, right?
It's up here! Fire that! Fire that! We're all good, mates. My rat's dead.
Hala, bai, hemen edozin momentutan agertzen zaizu monstro horietako bat eta pikutara joan altzara.
Gunrat's been silenced.
Baina agian gero jokatzen duzu partida berdina, edo mapa berdina eta monstro hori ez da agertzen. Da apur bat aleatorioa zentzu horretan.
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Phantom ammunition.
You do holy well now. Do not relent. On you slay!
Gainera hemen irabazteko gainditu behar dira zenbait mapa. Ez da partida bat irabaztea, partida desente irabazi behar dira.
Good job.
Baina, bueno,
Good job, Filch.
bere garaian gainditu nituenez ipotxarekin eta elfarekin, falta zaizkit
Based by foul heretic works.
Markusekin, Victor eta Sienarekin.
Ha! Strangler strangles no more.
Shield vermin. Incoming.
A ver.
Next. I can protect
A ver, ze monstro dator orain.
There's no one else. See that?
Rata ogro?
Next one.
Baina nondik dator.
Ah, looks almost.
Uf,
anyone else we need
Try it by yourself.
kaosaren engendroa.
Sheepwalk.
Gainera regenerazioa dauka.
Don't let it go to your head, but I do prefer you over a thrasher. I think
friends the bloody Sigma. You think pain will stop me?
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
Still there's more. Do you know much about the elven gods, sir?
Only that they are degenerates who bicker amongst themselves instead of opposing the true foe.
As with the mortals, so with the gods. Is that it?
Iepa,
it's only a start to Lumberfoots. With more yet.
komentatzen nengoena, bihar frogatuko dudala zuzenean
This looks like a
Genshin
ritual circle.
Impact.
Stay within it to open the path.
We cannot leave this place until the
Hor,
ritual is
lehenengo
ended.
mankeadak egiteko. Badespada jokoa badaukatan. Eta ziurrenik jokatuko dut mandoarekin. Vale, nondik datoz. Vale.
I don't like that chant, mates. You seem sluggish. Can you still fight? They're raising a stand.
Baina esaterako, Resident Evil esaterako jokatu izan dut mando gabe, teklatuarekin. Baina jokoan egin behar bat ditut doble tirabuzon eta gauza horietakoak borduan nahiago dut mandoakin. Bagian bostak eta laurden edo. Eta atzo galditu nizuna. Azten zara, aukatzen duzun pertsonai batekin edo denak azten dira pertsonai berdinarekin.
That willpower, please.
Vale, ongi izan murrundaie. No, vale, onbar gara zirkoaren erdian.
Try that standard, one of you.
Definitely felt better.
I bet you wish you were at the James College now, Sienna.
Up the face, one eye. Up, one eye.
Borduan bihar enteratuko naiz gauzetaz. Hori da, lizatekotan pasatu zaitez eta azalduko dizkidazu gauzak.
Can't take another like that.
Bazen Gerilian.
Careful, your shooting doesn't make
Hey! Fight!
Dead your wounds, one eye.
You know, Saltzpyre, I never expected you to suggest something like this, Bill.
Feeding. Gods.
Your eyes dim. Is death near? Must be this way.
Hala, guazen. Behin Red Dead Redemption 2 ezagutuz gero, osea, GTA ez da berdina niretzat. Gainera GTA ez daukat instalatuta. Vale. Horra bakarrik joan algara. Eta gainera ikusten denez roleplayan jendea orokorrean nahiko santarra da. Kaixo Iargi.
The Chaos Gods ignore this place. It won't last, so hurry.
An elixir there, if you want to risk a mayfly alchemist's art.
Hori astelenean.
Let none follow.
Hori azkenengo zuzenekoan esan nuen.
The quiver holds no answers. You hit it. Fiercely. We've more to do. Don't stop.
Troll bat. Bueno.
If you keep your manners, I'll help you with that troll. Bonnie! Finish it! Heal me. Shield me from Satan.
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
What will it take for you to trust me, Saltfire?
Trust is an expensive commodity.
And I've not spent enough blood to earn it.
You have, but it is not what you give that concerns me, Quagonassus, but what you yearn for.
Eske bi era daude GTAan online moduak. Bat da roleplaya. Falta zetxaiguna, gainera nolakoa. Gauza bat da online normal, gutxi gora bera nahi duzuna egin alduzuna, eta beste bat gauza bat da roleplay non lan abiatu behar duzun eta bur bat realistagoa da.
Killing spree! Bloody gorgeous!
A grim sight indeed.
Suposatzen dut beti joan beharko garela. A ver.
Get me back up! Hold on, Saltfire! A helping hand, sir.
Eta batzutan ere, zerbitzariak egon ohi dira jendez beterik, denbora asko behar du susartzeko eta bar. Eta horrek ere atzera botatzen dit.
The Scunners yearn for their gods to
A ver. Vale, sendatzen naiz, ezak zergaitik. Hori ez.
Here, sir. Let's get to it again.
Fires, let's set them down.
Robot, that rat ogre stood no chance. It was nothing. Had a lot of practice of late.
And yet, you still need more.
Lumberfoot.
Assassin, I hear it.
Assassin rock. Good. I suppose that's my blood.
Your fate is mine when the not theirs. Holy justice!
Ah, bueno, baina jendeak ematen du por culo beti.
Crude shot, but crude shot is better than none.
Hori online jokoetan beti. Goazen aurrera.
Well, we're certainly seeing
Vale,
unusual
guazen horra.
sights on this little journey.
Into gloom.
Batzutan agian zaude partidaz jokatzen eta reinizatzen dituzte serbidoreak eta egon behar zara ezak izan bat minutu berreo sartu arte eta bar.
If you have Pilgrim's coins, this might be a good time to spend them on a boon. Or perhaps you'd prefer to buy a miracle for the whole party. Don't worry. You each have your own coins. Spend or save as you wish.
Hori bai. Buah, bizitzaz oso txarto gaude. Deraz, Kerilian, Siena eta Victor izan behar dira lehenak sendatzen. Vale. Eta helburua horra heltzea. Nurgleren maldizioa. Bale, bizitza apur bat berreskuratu dut, ez, gerra.
There is no aid in this land, save that which you take from the dead.
Vale, mendik ez dago zer.
Ungar archers! Can't argue with that kill. That strike, pure textbook. Receive the judgment of Sigma. Healing tools for those in need. Hold your tongues. It is a flag bearer.
Hordak. Vale, badiru diltzen ere sendatzen aizela horrelako zehose.
The beast ready for the charge. Mystical target.
Batzutan irazten da, eta batzutan Eta bola horiekin kontuz.
These are big ties, Crowback. Yeah, a lovely drop. Hasten to me.
Bestelarkak usa edo puff gitar badago, azalduko dizuet ongi.
Archers, darling!
You beauty!
A healing drop. Right here.
Healing draft in sight!
Bagoaz, bardin.
It's all here! Can't outrun the fire.
Mind the shield bearers. Fighting duo.
A ber, horri eman aurretik agian hobeto hor da kentzen baditugu erditi. Vale. Ba, berdin zait, a ber. Zer dator orain gure gana. Jo, engendro bat benetan.
Hail, Queen. Shield has been sent.
Non behar zaio gogor.
The chaos god.
You've earned your reward. Don't forget it.
But still there's more.
Ilargi moderatzaile zarenez, kendu alduzu ukten manus pikutera bidali. Eta nahi botarena ez dut lortu kentzea. Atzego nintzen bideoak ikusten eta ez dut lortu.
I walk beyond the light.
Don't lose heart. Fight on, and the way will open.
Bring it on, Pack-Sworn! I've a flame for each of you!
I hear the pale queen.
I shall have seen them outside.
No, of course they don't need help. Idiots.
Stay put, Elf!
Gauza bat hor da egotea, gero beste gauza bat, hainbeste hor da batere egotea. Venga ya.
Please, vile. Radulgar.
Bloody Sigmar! You have to parry if you want to live now. You think pain will stop me?
Let the exiles ken.
That bloody hurts. Potion, right here, mate.
I'll give you pain.
On your feet, Saltspire!
Take my hand, Wood Elf. We have work to do.
Oh, now we'll have a reckoning.
Spama eta hori baldin ikusten baduzue, mesedez, kendu erditik.
Let me tend these wounds.
All this talk about being the god of that which you most desire, right? It's got me thinking.
Through here. The beast is charging. You're paler than usual, Saltzpyre. A vile blue beast.
There's the objective. Move!
Blessed be the goddess. And here's the river again.
Vale. Libratu gara.
Mind your wounds, sir. You ain't worth much dead.
Lasai argi. Eta beste. Vale, ongi. Asko sufritu dugu, Bueno, mapa hau bai. A ver. Izan daiteke zehozer izan daiteken apur bat family friendly. Beste untzi bat. Baseo paritu dizute. Filmea edo bideojokoa. Klasikazo bat. Zen.
I found a healing draft!
Nik ezin dut harrapatu, beraz. Beste batek hartu dezala hori.
You'll burn the same.
Zinch is laughing, and your enemies multiply.
Right in the kisser.
Bale, gainera batzuk bihurtu daitezke edo zer gauza, bale. Horgatik Zench ez dut batera gustoko.
Black Rat, who wants first to go at him? Bombs away!
Just supposing you could be a god. What would you be?
You have to ask.
A ver,
Hiya, darling. A beautiful, brilliant goddess of living flame.
baina itxaron.
Whether you are
Gas bomba hori.
you test an elf shield rat.
Kill that storm thing before it comes
Jo,
alive.
gainera tiro egiten duen horietako bat.
Rattling firing.
Eta gauza okebetzeko amerratadora bat. Los ongi.
That's away! Black fire! Ah, the taste is worse than the smell.
Storm feed. Bump road.
Dusk and shadow.
Coming through. Yeah, that's bloody earth. You're wounded, Roman. That's leg gun.
Txikitxari min eginda pikutara doa. Vale, orain laguntza ordudana ni naiz. Ja, batzuta eurak ematen zute gurra zuri.
Shield ready.
Well, I'm impressed, Sienna. You're a natural at killing.
Revolting, but it could be worse.
A ber, Kerilan, zu bizitza ondo zaude. Bizitza hori hartu behar zuen edo Siena edo Victor edo ni.
What now?
Agian egunen batean erosiko dut Mario Kart eta horrekin behintzat pike sanagoak egongo dira.
Esan, Gasarwana. Righteousness, do not fail me now.
You're barely hanging on one eye. Healer's potion!
A water fire. No, don't let it go.
Vale. Osa, bizitza rekuperatzen dut eta galtzen dut aldi berean, haupa ni.
Good in a fair fight, assassin!
Death rat!
Can't say anything. be pestered. Bound. You do holy work, elf. Do not relent. On your sleigh.
By the
Non zaude, gaina entzuten zaio, primero, vale, bat.
rat, a dead one.
If you hear voices, do not listen. I know you are here, heretics. Show yourself.
Bueno, esan dut, elgartzen gara euskal prizlariak edo euskaraz dakien jende gehiago, eta orduan, behintzat, santar gutxiago egongo lirateke partidan.
You've talent, wizard. My sisters can teach you a thing or two.
Fire! Slay it!
Don't underestimate that warp fire thrower. Ha! A dead cat. Fight for Saul. Think a shield will stop me, vermin?
I walk beyond the light. That's not ideal.
Hemen gehiegi bihurtzen dira gauzetan, Etxai gehiegi bihurtzen dira beste gauz batetan, behin akabatzen ditugunean.
Don't deny that you know how to kill elves.
Just let yourself out, Brandon.
Bat akabatu eta beste bi agertzen dira.
Not sure that should be this much blood.
Mario Karten beti dago pista hori, arcoiris pista santarra.
Definitely felt better.
You're badly wounded, Sienna. Hold your ground! The chaos warrior comes!
Shield you from sight.
The Sandblack is dead! Shield vermin! Watch out!
Thanks, I think.
Quick! Glory, my life!
The healer's lost our game.
Atzetik erasotzea, ez da
Chaos warriors near.
onartuko dudan zehozer.
Stunner savage.
Vale.
Oh dear.
That rot hell might test us, Mayflies.
Oh, a fat-ass blight stormer! Oh, blessed shut! You hear what I hear, mate? Leech.
Venga ya.
Death comes easily to Saltzpyre.
Death is needed. Join me in righteous slaughter. Already with you, sir. Just haven't matched your speed yet.
Utzi nire elfa bakean.
Wind will die with its master.
That's what you get for blindstorming. Good killing, Uber. You're a credit to your regiment. I sense waiting. And all. Right hammer.
There! Assassin! Gas rat. Somewhere close.
Cut! Get out of this car!
I've a bad feeling about this.
Bloquea tu veterazo. Vale.
How they feel?
You've earned your reward. Don't forget it.
Narcissus is down. Don't stop.
Gora, he.
Do not fear the ritual. Stand within it.
Accursed ritual. We shall bring it to an end.
Berriro gorroto ditun ritual mota hauek.
Lucky bloody us. Unfortunate.
Guazen hemen ere laguntzera.
Just our luck.
He's so fragile, Wahai.
Try to stop me.
An empty quiver serves no one.
Damnation was a chaos spawn.
Into gloom.
That's better. One less chaos warrior. More fun thing.
Hala, guazen hemendik.
Potion!
So what drove you to choose that god? While we're talking.
Oh, I would explain, but I doubt you'd understand.
All right, whatever drives your elbow and all that.
A ver. Farmeoa zein zentzutan. Vale. Uf. Orain azkenengo misioa. Itxarongo dugu taldekidea komunetik itzultzen denean agertzea eta abar. Ez dakit denbora emango dion. Ah, vale, farmeo klasikoa. Vale.
Arm yourselves. We must not lack for ammunition.
I'll admit it.
Orain bizi irau.
You do know anything about weapons through there?
Hau jokatu dut zentzekin, ekornaren aurketa eta nurgleren kontra. Zer da, a ver.
Nothing, nothing!
Lock them low, Sigurd.
A troll! Not what I wanted to see if I'm honest. Windwit's there!
Ready, angle.
At least I'll better.
Don't look healthy, Sienna. Just as fine me.
Ea ziena laizte etortzen de, komunetik.
There's a present for you, light former!
Ja, claro.
Slow down, Cerulean! Make me some! Need a hand getting up!
Fuegonasus is down. Receive the judgment of Sigma. This mad switch. Just try to stop me.
Sheepwalk.
Hemen behar diogu ogor.
Oh, look at the Elko. Hey, the beast's dead.
You could have hell. Trolls are not easy prey.
And thank the eight winds for that! Arm and leader!
Over there, Lumberfish.
Zein momentu naren eratu dut arma. Venga, ya.
Your life is over, spent with us. Hearing Elko.
Dusk and shadow.
Oh, foul abomination.
Vale. Vale. GG. Bueno, helburua lortu dugu. Asko sufrituta. Baina irabaztea lortu dugu. Esperentza punto askotxo, Hil ditugu pila bat. A ver. Itzuliko gara. A ver. Hemen zer dagoen. Vale. Hori lortu dugu. Ia zer tokatzen zaigun. Ez dago bat ere txarto. A ver, kosmetikoak. Cornerekin beti. Ba bueno, burrundai hemen egon zarela, ate, ilargi eta zuzenekoan egon zareten guztioi. Hau izan da dena, espero dut disfrutatu duzuela hemen etxaiak akabatzen ikustea. Eta agindu ezala bihar Genshin Impact izango dugu. Zuzenean 5 eta 4 den inguruan. Agur.
You know, Carillion, I'm still no clearer as to why you're traipsing around with us. Don't you want to go home?
More than you knew.
So why stay? It doesn't add up.